after Big Gobbler.
Over the past few years, Paul and I have been very successful chasing our local birds around. The plan's always simple. Do your homework, scout the birds out, figure out where they want to be, and be exactly where they want to be. This morning, it didn't take long, and the hens come right into range. The gobbles that day seemed to get more distant as the day went on, and our morning hunt turned into a mid-afternoon hunt. And finally, we start hearing some gobbles coming, and it sounds like they're getting closer, and they're working over this hill, and then we hear something else. Yep, game over, boys. There goes our hunt. We pack up the Maristep blind and get the heck out of there. We ease in, we set up the blind, let out a few calls, hear nothing. We're sitting there talking, then right from over his shoulder, bam, gobble lets out. We look out the window, and the birds are coming right at us. We replay that frame over and over. The placement looks perfect, but that bird took off and it ran, and when we walked out in the field, it was not there. We did find the bird, and I was glad to recover it. It was about 200 yards away and all piled up.
What, probably 14, 15 hours in the last 2 days? And then the cluster of trying to find them. Whew. I mean, those are... I mean, this one right here is...
Inch and a half, probably?
Yeah, easy. Sharp boy as an old bird.
Well, we done fooled them up today.
Yeah, they didn't have a chance, huh? Guess when you sit 14 hours, you'll come across one, eh?
Right.
We worked them hard for 2 days. A little bit scary not recovering them right away, but got to put your time in looking for them, that's for sure. That is a pig.
Let's see his beard.
Well past my fingers. Like 10 and a half, 11.
Well, there you have it. Another good hunt in the books. Until next week, take care.
This has been a Tagging Out Hunting production. Come and visit us at taggingouthunting.com. Yeah!
Apparel provided by Sassy Does, Blinds and Stands, Ameristep. Gunwork, American Precision Arms. Game Calls, A-Way. Face Masks, Bunkerhead. Scents, Conquest. Cover Scents, Dead Deer Walking. Camera Arms, Outdoor Dreams. Archery equipment, Dart and Archery. Music provided by It Lies Within. Thank you to all of our